Well, come on, Kai.
She got death grip on my fingers.
Well, she probably doesn't want a face plant.
The bow? Can I get my fingers? Can I get a finger?
Uh-oh.
Keep going.
There we go. Look at that.
Come, you're good. You're good. Get your balance. Whoop. You did a little bit. You do it again. You get it.
Come on, baby. Here's a girl. Come to daddy. What is he asking for more of?
Blue's Clues.
More Blue's Clues? All right, Gordon, hold on. Daddy will be right there. Come
Not
on.
giving up that hand, though.
There's a girl. Good
save.
job. Son, you better not be climbing that glass. Come on, Kai. Look at this.
Woo!
Yep, we're going to do more Blue's Clues. I know, son. Daddy will put on more Blue's Clues in a second. Come on, Kai.
You're just being silly now.
Come on. Come. No, you come here. Come on. Come here, Kai. Come on, Kai.
You're fast.
Love you guys.